In this video, I am going to show you how to make this audio visualizer animation with the help of GEO-NODES in Blender. Without further ado, let's get started. First, delete everything except the default cube. Then go to edit mode and turn on the X-ray mode. After this, add a cylinder inside the cube. Make the cylinder a little bit thinner. Now this will work as the bars of our visualizer. Also remember to bevel the cube. Now hide this and add another cube. Go into Geometry Nodes tab and add new. Delete the group input and add the curve circle. After this, you can follow me in every single node. You can also play around with the nodes to get your desired result. After setting up all the nodes, we have to animate this. For animation, I am going to use the drivers. For this, you have to type in #frame divided by 100 or any other value. And just like this, your first animation is ready. Now add another cube and just like before, add GEO-NODES to it. This time use UV sphere instead of curve circle. After this, just follow me again. And for the animation, use the same method as before. After this, also add the bevel modifier. Then add another cube and make it big so that everything is inside the cube. Now add camera to your scene and set up it according to your choice. Change the focal length to 70 or 80. Also, turn on depth of field and give your scene a lot of blur. Then also duplicate this and add this all over the background to make it more interesting. Then select the cube and add particle system to it. Also, turn off the gravity from the scene settings. Make the particles emit from the volume instead of faces. Then add an icosphere to make it as the object of your particle system. And also change the scale, rotation and velocity to the randomized values. Now most of it is already done. Now it's time to add some materials and lighting to the scene. Now set up your EV scene as I show in almost every video. Also remember to add an HDRI to make your scene look more interesting. Also don't forget to add volume to your scene. For some beautiful lighting, first I am using a point light at the middle of everything. Then increase its radius and value to anything you like. Now add some more lights to your scene. For our default cube, I am using glass material for the sides, emission material for the cylinder inside the cube, and the metal material for the rest of cube. Then give your largest cube the transparent material so that we can't see it. Then change the color of your icosphere. At the end, you can also animate your camera if you want. If you want to support me, then you can just like and comment. And also subscribe.